Hey guys, here I am again talking about the Like app. I'm going to go through some tips, tricks, some hacks for you to accumulate that all coveted M coins faster and more efficient. Just to recap, Like app is an app that gives you points or coins, if you may, for playing the video games for your cell phone, and it accumulates. And when it does accumulate, you can get Amazon gift cards and other gift cards as such of Macy's, Fridays, those that you are interested in for how much ever coins you have, or you can use it to get straight up cash. PayPal, $20 is the highest, 50 cents is the lowest. I could actually get 50 cents, but I am saving. I could actually get $1 too. Anyways, now that we've gone through what said app is and what it does, let's go into a game. Let's go into solitaire since I haven't been playing it so far. So, okay. So we have solitaire. Now, basically the game, not the game. We all know what solitaire is. If you don't know what solitaire is, I don't know what to say. But let's see here. So basically, you are to play the game, and as time goes on and you play this game, you will get points. I don't know if it's going to show it now, but it'll pop up in the screen. I'm going to talk to you for a little bit, so I'm pretty sure it'll pop up in the front of the screen eventually. When it gives you points, as you get points, the amount of time it takes to get the points goes up just a little bit, and the amount you get goes up a lot. So you start off with a small amount of coins that you get at a time, and as time goes on, you get more and more. Okay, so like right now I'm playing the game. But if you are a pinch for time, or you just want to hurry up and get you some coins, and you don't feel like, oh, there you go. It just popped up. So that right there is telling you that it is generating coins for you. Now, majority of the time, which some people don't know, is that if your game closes down, you're not going to generate any coin. Yes, I have the basic background. Go Metro. Anyways, if you have your closed down or the screen is black, you're not going to generate any coins. Okay? So, what you do is you go into your settings. For those who don't know, my phone is a Lollipop. I don't know if it works for Marshmallow or Kit Kat, but I know it works for mine. I'm pretty sure it works for all because there's nothing really too much that you have to change in your settings, regardless of if it's Kit Kat, Lollipop, or Marshmallow. Antique case. Go down. You go to developer. Now, I already done it, but if you go to, let's see, where is that? This one right here, building number, and you tap it about times. I want to say about 7 times. I did real fast. Like right now, it says there's no need. You are already a developer. Okay, so you press that, and you go back, and you will have developer options open up in your phone. You go into your developer options in your phone, and you put on your stay awake. Your screen will never sleep while charging. Okay, so you put that stay awake, your screen will never sleep while charging, close out, then you go back into your phone. Now let me look real quick, because it'll tell me the next amount of time that I have to get set points. Let's see here. Oh, there we go. Oh, there we go. Let's see. Okay, so I got 47 seconds. Okay, better yet, let me use DraftKings as an example. Let's open up DraftKings. Now, this is one of those ones that you generate coins by constantly having to be in there, even if you're not really doing anything in there. So, it said 10 seconds, I think. Let's see here. I'm not going to touch anything for a certain amount of minutes. Let's see if it pop up or if I have to go completely into it. I don't think I do, though. There you go. Now, if that stay awake option wasn't on, then my phone would have blacked out and it wouldn't generate any coins. But now that my screen is on, or my screen is constantly on while it charges, I can put this on, set my phone down, and do whatever and generate coins without having to worry about it. I would say that your best results is if you have a tablet or a phone, like a phone that you don't use, but you like play games on it. Have that on your phone. You know, put it on, set it somewhere in your house with the charger. You know, go to work, go to school, you know, all that, go to sleep, forget all about it. Come back and you will generate yourself some serious coin or points. I don't know how you want to prefer to say. I say points because, you know, coins imply if you get certain. Anyways. So there you go. That's that. I will put the link in the description so you can download it and have fun. And start generating yourself some points. I know I don't really upload a lot of videos. I'm quite sporadic with that. Last year, I guess you could say, it's been quite tough for me. I have been going through a whole heck of a lot. And I'm a very keep to myself type person, so I don't really go and vlog and talk about my issues. So there's that. But I keep saying I'm gonna try to put more on there, but I rather put videos up when I'm happy, so you can hear the enthusiasticness in my voice. Then be completely bummed out and you can like literally feel how I feel through my voice. I carry my feelings on my sleeve and it's hard for me to masquerade that. Even though you can't see my face, you can still hear my voice, and even now there's a little bit of aggravation in my voice. So anywho, I'm gonna leave the description down below. And you can like, you can subscribe. I would love to have more subscribers and more friends to enjoy different things that I've learned about through the internet. I do different things. I'm all over the place. I don't have a set what I want to have this channel to be. Might end up even changing the name of this channel because it's literally a channel that I started on a name that I had ever, I don't know, since I was like 16. So, anyway, still working on leaving. I'll talk to y'all later. Bye.